Hello store owners! This video will guide you through enabling and managing guest quotes in your WooCommerce store. We'll cover setup, display options, rate limiting, and how guest submissions appear in your admin. By default, only registered wholesale customers can request quotes on My Store. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on guest quoting, so any visitor can submit a request without needing an account. I'll head to Wholesale Suite, then go to Settings, and then Wholesale Quotes, and choose Guest Quote tab, flip on Enable Guest Quotes, and hit Save. While I'm here, I have two optional display settings. Show Login or Create Link adds a registration prompt for guests who don't have an account yet. Show Login Link gives existing customers a direct path to the login page. I'll enable Show Login Link so wholesale customers who just aren't logged in can get back to their account easily. Guest submissions need a wholesale role so the system knows which pricing tier to apply to their request. I'll pick a role from this dropdown. The options here come from whatever roles I've set up in wholesale prices. Whichever role I choose becomes the default for every guest quote that comes through. To stop quote spam, there's a built-in rate limiter. I can set how many submissions a guest is allowed. The default is 5 and choose a reset period, 7, 30, 60, or 90 days. The system tracks by both IP address and email, so whichever limit hits, first blocks further submissions from that guest. Here's what the experience looks like on My Store. When a guest clicks Add to Quote on a product, this email modal pops up before anything gets added. They enter their address and hit Continue. That email then saves in their browser so they won't be prompted again on the same device. Guest quotes appear in my admin right alongside quotes from registered customers, here in Wholesale Suite and then Quotes. The one without a customer name is a guest submission. I can see the quote number, date, total, and status, and manage it exactly the same way I'd handle any other quote. On the privacy side, the plugin stores guest IP addresses and emails only for rate limiting, nothing else. It hooks into WordPress's built-in data export and erasure tools, suggests privacy policy content I can review and publish, and automatically deletes records after the tracking period, plus a 30-day grace period. So I stay compliant without any extra setup. Enabling guest quotes allows all visitors to request pricing, expanding your potential customer base. Remember to configure display settings, assign a default wholesale role, and understand the built-in rate limiting and privacy features for a seamless and compliant experience. This is the end of the video. I hope this helps. If you have questions, kindly leave comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.